Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia and today I am going to be sharing with you welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into white Christmas decorations ideas. If you're dreaming of a white Christmas or looking to bring that snow-kissed magic indoors, these ideas will help you transform your home into a serene winter wonderland. White Christmas decor isn't just about elegance, it's also versatile, fitting in beautifully with farmhouse, contemporary, rustic, and minimalist styles. I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. So, I am sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button, and I want to give a huge thank. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. 1. White Christmas tree styles. Start with a quick intro on the types of white Christmas trees available. Some people prefer the simplicity of an artificial all-white tree, while others may enjoy a green tree with snowy, frosted branches. Artificial frosted trees give a just snowed effect without overpowering the natural look. Decorations and ornaments. Discuss the types of decorations that elevate a white Christmas tree. For a cohesive look, use white, silver, and clear ornaments. Pearls, snowflake shapes, white feathers, and delicate ribbons add a soft, enchanting feel. Explain that clear or iridescent ornaments can add a bit of sparkle without breaking the white theme. Lighting and skirts. Encourage using soft, warm white or clear lights that give a warm glow. Mention that tree skirts in white faux fur or sequins add an extra layer of elegance, resembling a blanket of snow. 2. White table settings for Christmas. Dinnerware and napkins. Suggest classic white plates paired with silver or crystal accents for a refined table setting. White cloth napkins with simple, festive details like snowflake embroidery or silver trim complement the theme perfectly. Centerpieces. Showcase ideas like frosted pine branches, white candles, and crystal candle holders as part of a stunning white tablescape. Miniature snowtop trees or glass ornaments filled with faux snow can also make great centerpiece ideas. Glassware and accents. Describe how using clear or silver-rimmed glasses and white silver flatware contributes to the soft elegance of the theme. A white runner or a faux fur tablecloth adds warmth to the setting. 3. White wreaths and garlands. White wreaths for doors. Introduce different types of white wreaths that bring seasonal charm to entryways and living spaces. Wreaths made of pine cones, snow-dusted branches, eucalyptus, and white berries evoke a natural, snowy feel. Indoor and outdoor garlands. For mantelpieces, suggest draping white garlands mixed with small lights or ornaments. Use garlands with white pine cones, silver accents, or frosted greenery. Garlands on banisters, entryways, or along the dining table can create an immersive winter scene indoors. 4. Stylish white stockings and mantel decor. White stocking ideas. Introduce white stockings with special touches like monogrammed initials, metallic embroidery, or faux fur cuffs. Hang them along the mantel or staircase for a unified look that ties into the rest of the decor. Mantelpiece decor. For mantel decor, suggest placing white candlesticks, frosted pine branches, and mini Christmas figurines like deer or white ceramic trees. Highlight that lanterns filled with mini lights or faux snow make great accent pieces on a mantel. 5. White outdoor decorations. Front porch and entryway. For outdoor white Christmas decor, consider showing off frosted wreaths and garlands with warm white lights that create a cozy, snowy effect. Suggest adding lanterns, white poinsettias, or even large white painted pine cones and planters. Outdoor yard decor. Discuss white reindeer figurines, snowflake stakes, and light-up snowmen as additional outdoor decorations that fit the theme. 6. DIY snow globe decor. How to guide for DIY snow globes. Include a quick DIY segment on creating snow globes that add charm to any room. 7. Mixing white with metallics. Adding gold, silver, or champagne accents. Briefly mention that some people may want a touch of shimmer alongside the white decor. Adding silver or champagne-colored accents can help break up the white while keeping a sophisticated look. Suggest ideas like silver candlesticks, metallic chargers, or tinsel. Thank you for watching our white Christmas decorations ideas video. Whether you're going for a snowy winter wonderland look or adding a bit of shimmer with metallics, white Christmas decor can transform any space into a serene, elegant holiday haven. Final tips. Remember, don't be afraid to get creative with textures, like faux fur, glass, and snowy accents, to make each decoration stand out. Let us know in the comments which idea you'll be trying this year, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more holiday decor inspiration. Wishing you all a beautiful white Christmas. Hang them along the mantel or staircase.